Hello students, my name is Mrs Reena. Our topic is vowels in English. First vowel A. Let's learn combination sound A. Some words an. A N an. B A N ban. C A N can. M A N man. Speak loudly, all student. Okay, very good. F A N fan. Next, P A N pen. V A N one. Okay students, carefully listening and learning skills. Okay, a few words with a sound A T at. B A T but. C A T cut. All students carefully listening. Okay, speak loudly. F A T fat. Very good. H A T hut. M A T mud. Okay student, speak loudly. Next, P A T but. Very good. A few words with a sound A P up. C A P cup. G A P gup. L A P lap. M A P map. N A P nap. T A P tap. Next, sound A words with a R. C A R car. B A R bar. F A R far. J A R jar. T A R tar. W A R war. Okay students, learning skills all student. Okay, फिर मिलेंगे. बाय स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, टेक केयर.